question from the YouTube by Afaf Nasir. Can women become commercial or private pilot if she is able to wear hijab and her workplace is modest in Middle East, Gulf country? You have the question that can a female be a pilot for commercial jet planes or for private jet planes? Can she do a job of a pilot? For a woman to become a pilot because she wants to fly planes and taking care of the modesty, hijab level and all, there is some possibility that if she wants just for a passion and she belongs to a very rich family and she wants to fly planes for a passion and she sees to it that she has a female instructor and she learns. So flying a plane per se, generally, though it's difficult, it's possible that a woman can fly plane. But if you want to become a pilot, to do a job so that you can fly commercial planes or private jet planes, this is not possible, because to find a job in which you're flying a commercial plane, there the hijab will be broken, because you have to sit alone in the cockpit, and if your co-pilot is a gent, imagine you're sitting alone with your co-pilot for the total duration of the flight, which may be 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours. Then you cannot say that I want a female pilot only or a female co-pilot. Not possible. So if you're sitting in the co-pilot, if you're sitting in the pilot along with the co-pilot, who most probably will be a gent, it will break in the hijab level. There will be many actions you have to do. There are many things you have to interaction. So this job per se of a commercial plane or of a private plane, if you're going to fly a private plane, you cannot say that I'll only fly the ladies of the family, I'll not fly the gents, and there has to be interaction. So according to me, doing a job for a woman of a commercial plane, flying a commercial plane, being a pilot, or a private plane, this job is not suitable for a woman. But per se, if a woman wants to learn how to fly a plane and become a pilot for a passion and just for her desire, if she takes the precaution that the teacher who's teaching her the plane is a female and she takes all the precaution of hijab, then there is a possibility. Hope that answers the question.